We'd like to encourage anyone who is holding a Pink Ribbon Breakfast to aim high. So here's a few of our top tips.
Start planning and promoting the date well in advance.
Now, if you haven't already.
It's all about teamwork. No one can do an event like this on their own, and it's great to bounce ideas off others. Make it an annual project. For instance, if you're getting an oven cleaner in May, you could ask them, would they be able to support you for October? Make your event as big and special as you can, but keep it simple as possible. Set high standards, keeping expenses to a bare minimum. Try to get everything donated.
Everything.
People love to help, so just ask. Delegate tasks carefully though, as everyone has a unique strength. Ensure all businesses and individuals who donate items or services are acknowledged at the event or afterwards on social media or handouts.
Try to be strategic with your fundraising and have a mix of initiatives. Don't put all your eggs in the one basket, such as price your event tickets, your raffles, your tombola, have your auction, and always try to upsell. We make quite a bit of extra money on our event ticket. For example, we ask for $40 per ticket plus any other amount you would like to donate. So quite often someone will pay $60 or even $100 for their one ticket. Bundle and price your raffle tickets to encourage the purchase of the whole book, not just one ticket. And keep some of the special items for an exclusive guest raffle, and you can sell them at a higher price because it's exclusive then. Don't have too many items in your raffle though. A live auction can achieve much greater return. And make sure you have a good mix of affordable, such as the oven cleaner, like that went in the snap, that was amazing, everybody wanted that. And high valued auctions such as box tickets and things like that, just so everyone has a chance to participate and so they feel like they're doing their bit.
Make your guests feel special, entertain and feed them, and they love to take a goodie bag home with them, everything being donated of course.
Yes.
Encourage people to come with a friend or as part of a group. Explain where the money goes, what it is for and why it is so important. People need to be educated so they can pass on a positive message. Be involved in other community events so that people can see you're willing to help other causes as well. Don't forget to thank everyone personally for their involvement, and you've had a good event when people are talking about coming next year before they even walked out the door.
So thank you again, and good luck with your event this year.